Hello viewers, today we are here to fix this LED. At the moment it is not connected with the cable or any other media. So how we have fixed it, we'll now see in the coming video. But before going to the video, I would request the new viewers to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon with all notifications on. Like this one, share this one, and then of course at the end comment as well, so that I can improve my video and my channel quality. So move over to the fixing of this LED at a new place. Let's go toward the video. Right, we have come to place the LED. First of all, what we have done is that we measured from the bottom up till here, place these marks, and then I have measured the distance from this place to this place in order to find the center, and I found this center and marked it here. Then after this I took the base plate and placed it on it. I'll show you that. Let me bring. Okay, I place this base plate and then put few marks like here, this one, can you see this? Okay, like this I placed all these 4 marks, and with the pencil. After this I removed this, and then this was the actual dimension, so that our screws should not be at mislocations. So let's have drilling. 3 holes I have already made it, and the 4th one is left. So see what we are going to do. Okay, this drill machine placed, and with the help of this drill machine we will have a 2-inch deep hole. So let's see. Oops. Okay, we made this hole. We'll place this rowel plug inside, and with the hammer we'll fix it little bit so that it is at correct place. So it is done. Similarly we'll place it at the 4th place. It is bit very awkward due to poor construction material, but we'll try to fix it in a better way. Let's see. Once I place it here, then I'll come back by fixing the plate. Okay, now this is the final positions. Once we have placed the rowel plugs inside, now we are going to fix the plate, which I have already shown it to you. This is the plate which will be fixed over there, and after that the LED will be placed on it. So see how we will going to fix it. Okay, in this way we will place the screws. As you can see, now I have to tighten it them with the help of this key. So if you see this one, we will place it like this and it will be turned clockwise and it will be okay. Now let me tight all these and then I'll join you at the final stage. Okay viewers, now we are at the final stage to tight these screws. It is almost done. Just I wanted to show you that how this was undergone, this has gone underway. Now final stages of tightening up these screws. They are almost tight. It is a bit difficult, but if you keep doing small little jobs at home, you will have little bit of proficiency as well, and you will not be dependent on the experts. You will become the expert. Okay, after fixing this plate, if you can see that there are two colors, one this underneath and the other one at the top. These two are very important because on these colors our LED will be fixed and it has a specific places on the back side of the LED. Let's have a look on that as well. Okay, if you see, these are the collars places made at the back of the LED. This one for the top one and this one for the bottom collar, and this screw, this will help to tighten up the place on the collar. So once it is tightened up, it will not move, it will be safe. And this is the other side. Now this is placed. Now final stage that we will uh, tight up these screws from this place as I am showing it to you. Due to light problem, they might not be clearly visible, but these will be tight and this LED will be then in place. Okay viewers, now the LED is fixed, connected with the cable connection, and kids are enjoying with the nice cartoons. Now it's time to say goodbye. At the end again, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and suggest me that how I can further bring more improvements. Up till now, take care, stay blessed, stay at home. Goodbye.